Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
St. Anne this morning recorded its fourth road crash since the start of the week. 3 people were rushed to hospital following the collision, which occurred in Runaway Bay in the vicinity of the Bahia Principal Hotel at about 8:16 a.m. Some of the persons sustained serious injuries. The cause of the crash, which involved a blue tour bus and a white Probox motor car, is not yet clear. However, video circulated showed the Probox badly damaged. The bus also had damage to the front of the unit. This morning's crash follows one along the Duns River Main Road, which claimed the lives of 3 people on Wednesday. There were also 2 other crashes in Fern Gully this week, one of which was resulted in the death of a woman and the injury of several others. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see what happened? Wanna see what is going on? Amount of accident that take place. Amount of accident will take place, my wisdom warriors, and not normal. What really are going? What is going on our island? Even today, a truck and a hearse, a hearse a carry body, a burial ground, crash, big accident, my viewers and subscribers. Blows and skirt, this is a hell of a thing, Let me just show you a small clip of it. Watch this. My wisdom warrior, this accident happened in a St. Thomas. St. Thomas, this happened. You understand? And it has come to my attention also that the driver has been taken to the hospital. Because there's a video clip also, when the driver couldn't come out at the earth. He couldn't come out, but you know how residents come out already and was helping, giving him a helping hand. But now he's taken to the hospital. So if there's any update, I will let you guys know. This thing really I get out of hand, Wanna see how bad? Wanna see how bad the car is? Well, the hearse is. Wanna see how bad it look? Mighty God. Them say the truck run up in the earth. So I don't know how it go. If I don't really know how it go. Already earth run up in the truck. One of them. All me know say this is not a good look. But I want to wish the driver speedy recovery. I hope everything goes well for him and him alright. My viewers and subscribers, don't tell me what to think about this, because as I said before, a pure accident about the place. Left, right and center. I don't know what is happening. All we have to do is pray. Fast and prayer. Remember, me tell you now, fast and prayer. It's the way to go. Here, it is the way to go. So my wisdom warriors, me take a look over the page, because you know some of they all about, left, right and center when me do my research. When me look at how me see pop up, Juliet Oldness, you see, and who bring her up? Omar A. Newell. Mr. Omar A. Newell is a PNP candidate, and he stated, release the Attorney General legal opinion. This is what he's saying. Look, when you can see it. Release the Attorney General's legal opinion. What are you hiding? Me would have asked Juliet Oldness the same blasted question. Why she don't want to share? Remember, my viewers and subscribers, they were the one when the report come for table out. Them said them I go ask the Auditor General for your opinion, and when they get the opinion, they're going to share it with the opposition side, with everybody, and with the public. Obviously, it got table out in the House of Parliament. Yeah, obviously, we are go all here. The public have all right to know what is going on. Anyway, you know, my viewers and subscribers, when the Auditor General sent over the opinion, yeah, the woman said she changed her mind, she not share it. Why? I must something she hide. What was that opinion? What is inside that letter? Why she don't want the opposition side hear what in there or see what's in there? Why she don't want the public see what is going on? Remember, you know, the Attorney General sent over her opinion where she said she had got asked. I remember say she had delayed the report, you know. Remember say that she had, you know, so she had delayed the report and she said she's waiting on the Auditor General reply. And they she want to know her opinion. What is the Auditor General opinion? When she get it, the woman says she not table it out. How can a head of parliament, a Madam Speaker, talking about she is not going to share her opinion, the Auditor General opinion, with the House of Parliament? Make it make sense. She are going like her yard today. Make it make sense. How she come by that? How she had decide that by herself? Me not understand. How come she had decide that? We know say the whole of them in it, you know. We know say Juliet Ownless, we know say Andrew Ownless, the whole of them are part of this. What is in that opinion? Why you don't want to share it anymore? Remember, you tell everybody, say, you know, you come in at House of Parliament and say you wait upon the Auditor General opinion. So why can't you share the opinion? The opinion come from Wapikil Philip. Why you hide it? What are you hiding? They might hide some of my viewers and subscribers. Uno look into yourself, look into things, read between the lines, just like how she have the report and never table it out. Look, and what come out of the report about the 400 million. The 400 million taxpayer money where they claim say them pay for an occupied building. Like they think people are don't pay back. You understand? That is what she was hiding. So, this and now, what is she hiding? So, I do not blame Omar. Me agree with you, Omar. They think this is a 9-day hit. 9-day wonder and that's it. No, Juliet Owens, we're still waiting. The public is still waiting for you to share that opinion. You are so wrong for this. You're going like say, your personal business come to the House of Parliament. No, everything will come in a House of Parliament. Yeah, everybody have a right to know what is in those reports. Everybody. You understand me? You're going like your own personal business. Make it make sense. People are not fool around here, so they're hiding something. My wisdom warriors, they are hiding something. Let me read this because this come out in the article today. Hear this. The Jamaica Council of Churches, JCC, has welcomed the tabling of the long-delayed Auditor General report in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, the 26th of March. The reports were tabled almost 2 months after they were first sent to Parliament in late January. Based on a controversial ruling by the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Juliet Holness, the reports were sent back to the Auditor General Department before they were finally laid on the table of the House. The ruling by Holness and her steadfast refusal to share an opinion from the Attorney General, which she said guided her decision about her reports from the Auditor General's Department and the Integrity Commission should be tabled, led to an uproar and subsequent walkout of the House by government members on March the 19th. The walkout that was led by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness followed criticism of the Speaker by opposition leader Mark Golding, who questioned her independence. The Speaker is the wife of the Prime Minister. The JCC, in a statement from its president, Bishop Christine Goodin Bengush, said the tabling of the AG's report has come at a time when there have been heightened concerns and expressions regarding the need for public access to and examination of the reports from the oversight institution in our nation. So my wisdom warriors, you can see that the Council of Churches are deeply concerned about the running of House of Parliament and the way how them do things. You understand? And what Juliet Owens want, she want a 9-day hit, a 9-day wonder, and that's it, and we forget about it, and she still remain in a House of Parliament. But no Sankey no sing so. No Sankey no sing so. As long as we get up As long as we get up, remember I power in a few hand, the people, as long as we get up and demonstrate and protest against these things, she will come out. May I tell you that? Because what she do is so wrong. What she do is wrong. So what is she hiding? I do not blame Omar. Omar, you ask a really valid question. This is a good question. What are you hiding, Juliet Owens? And me, I ask that question on the behalf of the Jamaican people. What are you hiding? Why don't you want to share the opinion? The Auditor General send you information, send you her opinion where uno claim say uno can't tell House of Parliament, and tell the people them, so you go ask the opinion, and then share it. Remember, say you said that, Juliet Holness, more than once, So how comes when you get it now, you don't want to share it? That means that something has been said, something in something, my viewers and subscribers, you hear me? Something in something, maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe, me only can assume right now, maybe they have to go settle it in a court. And I think about that. Something in something, my viewers and subscribers. So she don't want that because she don't want to embarrass the JLP. But everybody knows say the JLP them a thief. All the JLP themselves, they know that too. They know that because they know what them. Listen, how can you take up 400 million of taxpayers' money paying for an unoccupied building? That makes sense. So wait there, una pay for that the building they to una friend. Another thing we had up about, una pay that to one of una own man, own MP. For free. My viewers and subscribers, me tell us, so they take people for real clown, When me tell us, say, Andrew Holness, study this thing. Me don't know who teach him, Then say, I see I got teach him. But me I tell us, say, he study this thing, and this man not give up, without a fight. He study this thing and trick the Jamaican people. Only people who have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding can see through Andrew. If only not have that, only can't see it. Me I tell you a straight facts. Because all them something what Juliet do, I hide all them something. Them something never happened yet. Never happened yet in a parliament. So why it's happening now? Why is it happening now, Juliet Holness? You understand? Auditor General, you need to come now. We are waiting for you. Since I don't want to come tell we, you need to come share it. Well, maybe you don't have the right to come tell we. Yeah? But Juliet go on like say, well, you don't know what, my viewers and subscribers? You don't remember the video when we did show with Delroy Chuck? When Delroy Chuck stand up and he say, if Juliet Holness do not want to share the Auditor General opinion, yeah, that is final. And because she's the Madam Speaker, she can do what she want to do. You don't remember? Hey, it come like you don't know what go on with the one Delroy Chuck. And Delroy Chuck a house leader, You can imagine Delroy Chuck a house leader and stand up and attack them dirty way there. Make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this, because I like the way how Omar repost it and ask Juliet, what you hiding? Me like the way. So sometimes we have to remind them because Juliet always think, as I said before, I want 9 day hit she I get. 9 day wonder and that's it. And she come up in a parliament every single day. I go on like everything good. You understand? Then for fire dirty backside, that they need to do. Fire! That they need to do because she's not credible. She's not credible. You cannot come and do things like that and think it's cool and think it's okay. You understand? Listen, this woman, she's not good. She's not a good person because you can't come in our House of Parliament. You know you have the report. You take long, you delay it. Every time Mark Golden them asks about the report, yeah, you tell him you have other report that has been waiting from 1 year ago where you have a table out. And that you do, Juliet Holness. You understand me? And then after, you know what she do? She make Horace Chang come out. After she sent back the report them the same day, she make Horace Chang come out and said there is no report to table. Yeah? And that's why the Auditor General run out upon them, my wisdom warriors, because they lie. Horace Chang come out and tell a big fat lie. Big fat lie. Come and say there's no report to table out. There's no report from Integrity Commission and there's no report from the Auditor General. This is why the Auditor General run out upon them and said, wait. She did send back the report, but the report wasn't tabled. You understand? So them a big embarrassment of pure lie, they tell. Pure lie. Horace Chang come out and lie in front of the people them. This is what they do all the time. And them think it's okay because them a get away with it. Them get away with it all the time. So they think it is cool. And it is not cool. It is not cool. She need to come out. She need to lift up out of House of Parliament. She, Horace Chang, all him, me don't know where they are though. Delroy Chuck, Andrew, Nigel, the whole lot of them need to lift up and lift up. No. You understand? Because them not needed in the parliament. If they can lie, what else are they hiding? Wanna ever think about that yet? My wisdom warriors. Wanna ever think about that yet? If them a lie about a simple thing, what they wanna lie about? You understand? This is why you see she hold on the report, you know. Because you see, if she did ever release that the report there before election, them goes cook. Me I telling you that. That's why she hold on pan it. I know good people them. Them are no good people. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. On a big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.